Today we'll show you how to download image from platform X. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your Google and put here X, okay, and click to enter. Just now go to the first link, or go to skip x.com. Okay guys, so now we will need to picture from X. Just here we will test only the test football like this, guys, and click to enter. Okay, and now go to media and just choose one picture. Okay, I think I will choose one picture. Okay, just only 1 minute, guys. Okay, I choose maybe this, or maybe okay, this. Okay, just I choose this. Okay, just click with the right with your mouse like this, and go to save image like this. Save image as like this. This is the second, and click and go here, and here you can put the name of image and click like industry. Save as. Okay, click. Now finally you have here and you have here. So click, and finally this is high quality here. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.